Hello Afro Tribe, it's the end of another week and we are here to do another top-down analysis into the new week, and we are looking at GBPUSD, that is the Britain pound against the US dollar, and this on a daily time frame. Before we start with any analysis, I just want to just do a quick recap and see what this pair has actually been doing, and then we take do analysis and then try and get a setup. So going to the back, we had this kind of a breakout structure up here, right? And then the other block that caused that breakout structure is this, right? That is what price is trying to come down to. Price tried coming down to it twice, but it hasn't, right? Now it's reacting from the fair value gap of this other block, right? Yep. And then coming in, we had this breakout structure. Price came to come and clear a high, not the extreme high, because the extreme high for this breakout structure will be this one, right? So price came to clear this middle kind of high, and then price came down, just came to sweep liquidity right below that low, and now it's going back up, right? Yeah, so from the way the move is happening, I'm expecting this current move to go all the way into this other block, right? But there are other blocks along the way that might cause a little bit of problem, so you have to consider that first as well. Okay, so now I'm going straight in, looking at the current price leg on a daily time frame. This is the last breakout structure on the daily time frame, right? And then the other block that caused the breakout structure is this, that we have this zone, right? So now we know that price is coming into this zone. Now when price comes into this zone, it's either it will just break it and go up, or it might have a little bit of rejection before finally breaking it, right? So now we can see that price is in a bullish move now, right? It has actually switched from a bearish move to a bullish move, right? Because this will be the last high, right, which is down here, and that's going to be a change of character, right? So now we have now changed character, and then we are now in a bullish scenario, or you can say we are in a bearish retracement, right? Or a bullish retracement, sorry, right? And this zone is what will depend everything, whether the price can break it or whether it will hold, right? So now looking at what we have gotten a change of character, and then we do have this other block here from the daily time frame, right? From the daily time frame, we have this other block right here, and just mark it as a key level. So now this is what we have another block here, we have another block here. We have gotten a perfect supply and demand area to look at, right? So now our main focus now is going to be just this to this place. This is the zone that we are interested in trading right now. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and go and see the summary of what's going on, or I mean to see more expansion of what is going on. So when we come to the 4-hour time frame, this other block, we are going to actually refine it to this area here, this zone, right? This will be our block on the 4-hour time frame. Let me just quickly go ahead and lock this, right? So now this is what we're going to have. And when you look at the current price action, we can see that we are having a double top here, which is a signal that price is actually switching, right? It's retracing. So all right, so that's a double top, price is retracing. So now the moment we get this low being taken out, that is going to be a change of character to the downside, and you already know what we do. Once we get a change of character, we look for the other block that caused that change of character, and then we take our buy or sells from there, right? And from what I can see, this is what I'm seeing here. Now price has closed, right? So we're in the weekend now. We are trying to forecast what can happen next week, right? So this is the range that I'm trying to look at now. So now this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting now when the market opens, price will actually come down, break this structure there, right? Maybe come somewhere low, somewhere here, go back, right, into a place like this, and then fall into the zone, right? After it falls into the zone, then we have a push up into this daily order block. So this is what I'm expecting price to do when market opens, right? This might take maybe the whole week to play out, or just 2 or 3 days to play out, right? So if you are going to position, you're just patiently going to wait for price to come into this 4-hour order block, which is going to be the buy order block, this one. then our position, our SL will just go below this, and then our TP will just go here. Sorry about that. So this is going to give us a real risk to reward of 6.55, right? And like I always say, if you want to get a tighter stop loss, you can just wait when price comes into the order block, then we just go into the 15 minutes or 5 minutes and wait for a change of character and take the trade from there, right? So now this is what we are having based on the structure. This is what you are having going into next week. But when price open to, I'll try and do another video as to catch some sales, because looking at where price is at currently, and then that distance from where it is currently into this other block is a good number of pips, right? So when price opens and then gives us that change of character that I'm talking about, right, gives us that change of character I'm talking about, and then retraces back into the zone, we'll try and cut some sales from that side all the way down before we now do the actual buy into the zone. So I'll be updating you more in the week on this repair, right? This is GBPUSD and I'm a full trader. I'm out.